Well, with that, let's now shift focus to Mumbai. We also took stock of the BEST buses. Now, remember, these buses are being opened for non-essential services for the first time since the unlocking. And at this stage, a phased manner is being followed. Also, there is a limit to the occupancy level that is allowed at this stage. As per the new rules, one person can occupy one row and 5 passengers maximum will be allowed to stand. So that will obviously limit the occupancy to a huge extent. So these norms have also made it inconvenient for people because even if they have a bus that approaches the bus stand, they may not always be able to board that bus since it may already be full in the very point of origin itself. That is one of the things we witnessed. Let's listen in to Neha Kulkarni's report on this.
There is a cap set on how many passengers can sit and stand in the buses and go. Now, we just saw a situation where a bus took sitting passengers and not more than 5 standing passengers, and all of these people here are waiting for buses for a very long time now. Most of them had to get out of the bus because the buses do not allow for more people. Sir, social distancing का rule maintain कर रहे हैं, but कितने देर से wait कर रहे हो आप?
अभी तो हमको 1 घंटा होगा, 1 घंटे से भी ज़्यादा हो गया। 7 नंबर का बस आता है, डेपो से भर के आता है। हम लोग को तो जगह ही नहीं मिलता है, वो पूरा फुल करके बस आता है। क्या फ़ायदा है? इमरजेंसी ड्यूटी के लिए रखा है बस, तो जाने को ही नहीं मिल रहा है।
यहाँ पे कोई प्राइवेट स्टाफ में से है जो काफ़ी 2 महीने के बाद आया है काम पर वगैरह, या सब एसेंशियल स्टाफ? कैसे है मैनेज हो रहा है सब?
किधर क्या आप भी तो देख रहे हो, 8 बजे से खड़ा हूँ मैं बस के लिए।
कितने घंटे हो गए?
8 बजे से खड़ा हूँ ना।
8 बजे से खड़े हैं।
8 बजे से खड़ा हूँ।
बस आता है, भर के आता है,
क्योंकि उनको अभी लिमिट दिया है 30 पीपल का, तो वहाँ से भर के आएगी तो हमको यहाँ पे चढ़ने को मिलेगा ही नहीं ना।
कहाँ पे काम कर रहे हैं? कितना लेट हो गए काम के लिए?
अभी ड्यूटी मेरा 10 बजे का है, तो 10 अभी इधर ही बज गए। मैं 8 बजे से खड़ा हूँ।
आप बताइए सर, ठीक से मैनेज हो रहा है?
अभी मैनेज तो वो बस आती है, ले भर के आती है वहाँ से, तो फिर यहाँ पे चढ़ने को मिलता नहीं है हम लोगों को। तो कम से कम 1 घंटा हो गया हम लोगों को यहाँ पे रुके हुए, तो 5 आदमी के ऊपर स्टैंडिंग लेता नहीं है एक बस में, तो फिर यहाँ पे रुकती नहीं है बस। और यहाँ पे पब्लिक जमा होती है, कम से कम 30-25 लोग जमा होते हैं, तो 5 आदमी लेगा तो 20 लोग तो ऐसे ही यहाँ पे रुके रहते, फिर कहाँ से ही है?
10 बजे का ऑफिस है, 8 से खड़े हैं।
लेट हो रहा है ऑफिस को?
हाँ, तो फिर लेट तो हो रहा है ना, 10 बजे का ऑफिस है।
As you can see, the crowd actually has gathered at the bus stop itself. Right up till that side, they are all waiting for a bus to come, which is not filled to the capacity, so that they are able to go back to their offices. Pretty much all the buses are getting filled at the depots itself, at the bus stop, at the originating station itself, and which is why further in the route, many are facing issues to get BEST buses. Remember, from today, 10% staff allowed in private offices, 15% staff allowed in government offices, but the number of BEST buses which are coming are not proving sufficient to handle the crowd. One more example of a BEST bus almost full, going only taking people to the capacity level. People are almost rushing and running after the buses to be able to find one bus here. This is the situation right now as Mumbai has unlocked and opened up, but no bus remains available for people. With camera person Ran, this is Neha for Mirror Now from Mumbai.
Okay, so Neha actually also took stock of the seating arrangement inside a bus. Now, obviously, the rules have changed. Even after boarding a bus, you have to take care of certain new rules. There's a complete overhaul of the system. It cannot be business as usual. Let's listen into Neha's report.
It's the first day after the Brihan Mumbai electric supply and transport buses have opened for people, and we are in a route number 313 in a bus going from Kurla to Santa Cruz. And as you can see, the social distancing norms are tried to be maintained. Remember, only 1 passenger per seat is being allowed. A maximum of 5 passengers are allowed to stand and not more than that. And even in the back seat, if we can show you, which is considered to be the longer seat, only 3 passengers are allowed in this bus. there is a check also by the BEST authorities to ensure and check that not many people are traveling in this bus. We understand that about 86 bus routes have been started by BEST for people to facilitate them in their commuting modes. This is the arrangement that can be now seen at a BEST bus. Sir, आपको कितनी देर रुकना पड़ा?
आधा घंटा हो गया, 30 मिनट
आप ऑफिस के लिए लेट हो गए?
लेट हो गया, आधा घंटा लेट हो गया।
कुछ कर सकते हैं और बसेस छोड़नी चाहिए?
और बसेस छोड़नी चाहिए, लेट हो रहा है ना तो छोड़ना पड़ रहा है।
मैडम आप बताइए, आप कहाँ जा रहे हैं कुर्ला से?
यूनिवर्सिटी।
तो आपको कितनी देर रुकना पड़ा?
हाफ एन आवर।
So how do you think is the arrangement per one seat per person? Do you think this is going to work out?
या
The response of people remains mixed here. People have come out in huge numbers, but half an hour remains the minimum wait for people as they are claiming. Remember, this is the social distancing that requires to be maintained at every bus, and it shouldn't go more than that. With camera person Ram, this is Neha for Mirror Now from Mumbai.